Hello everyone, I have prepared a dashboard for a business manager having a data of a sample store USA. And the objective of this dashboard is to find out the weak areas where a business manager can see and make more profit, and what all the business problem you can derive by exploring the data. Okay, so here is the dashboard, how it looks. So I've prepared a scorecard of profit and sales and three slicer having reason, category and subcategory, and there is one more slicer of a discount, and we have a visualization of a map by reasons having profit and loss, and I have created one more visualization that is sales and profit by reason, and this is a visualization of a bar graph having sales and profit by category, and this is a matrix I have which we are showing the profit by state, which is showing the least profit first and that the maximum profit. And I have one more table matrix that is of state, discount and quantity, for which state we have a highest discount and what are the quantity we have. Okay, so by looking at the dashboard we can see the central region is having the least profit, that is 40k, and the southern region is also having the least profit, that is 47k. So if we filter it by a central region, so we can see like the furniture is the category where we have a negative profit or least profit we can say. So I will filter it by a furniture category. So you can see the furniture category in the Texas we have the negative profit, as well as the in Illinois we have a negative profit, and the maximum profit is that of Michigan we have. But these two states have a least profit because the discount we have like 85% and a 57% discount on all the furniture category. So what if we will look after some subcategory, that is bookcase. Okay, so in the bookcases also we have a negative profit, as we can see in the Texas, same Illinois and Texas having the negative profit, followed by the discount 8% and 3%. Now let's see about chairs. Okay, in chairs we have a profit of 7k, but the discount is, but the profit is negative for Texas as well as for Illinois, but the overall profit we have a 7k, but the same state Texas and Illinois we have a negative profit. So let's check out the furnishing. Okay, in furnishing we have a negative profit that is more as compared to bookcases we have 3.9k, and I think the same state because of the discount we have, I guess. Yeah, and for the tables also, like we have a negative profit, overall negative profit in the central region, and the same this time Illinois in the top and followed by the Texas. So we can see like in the central region for the furniture we have negative profit. Okay, so let's see how furniture categories is working or behaving in some other regions as well. Okay, so I have selected all the regions, and you can see furniture category. So the central region is behaving like negative profit, so we have a negative profit, as well as like all other regions have not that much good profit, but we have a negative profit in central region as well. So okay, so I think this is because of the discounts we have, I guess 85 discounts and more discount. So let's reduce the discount value first. So I will make it as 70% and see what happens. Okay, so okay, I have made it at 70%, but still I can see the negative profits, and still the central region is having negative profits, and I think like total discount. So I will reduce it to a 60%. Okay, so I have reduced the discount to a 60%. This is a total discount we are seeing in the Texas state, and so it's not the per quantity discount, it's the total discount we have. And you can see for the 60% also in the Texas state we have a negative percent, so we'll reduce it to somewhat 40, I guess. Okay, I will trying to reduce it as 40%. Okay, as soon as I have reduced it to 40%, I can see the central regions the price shoot up and we have a positive profit. But I can see still some Texas, Illinois State, and Peninsula having some negative profit. So I think the discount is directly proportional to the profit we have. So let's reduce it to somewhat more, 10%. Okay, so I have reduced it to 30%, and I can see the profit for Central region also shot up, and for as well as for others reason as well. And still okay, I can see 30%. Yeah, okay. So 30% also Texas is behaving somewhat negative profit in the furniture category. Okay, so okay, I will decrease somewhat more to, let's see, 20% how it behaves. Okay, so for 20% I think we have the greater profit in furniture category. So the 20% I guess, yeah. And we have like more profit not in the negative category as well. Okay, so this is for the furniture category. So what if like I remove the furniture category and see the overall. Okay, so overall I think the furniture category also shoot up in the technology and office. So overall the profit is, I think, more compared the profit is more, I guess, as per the discount we have reduced. Okay, so I will reduce it to some 30% and see what happens. Okay, so the profit also shoot up and the sales also got shoot up because of the discount we have, and we can see we don't have a negative profit by states. Okay, so as soon as I increase the profit to, I think, 40%, I guess, let's see. Okay, so I can see some negative profits I have. So we can conclude by discounts we are giving, we are getting the negative profit. So I think as per this data set, the discount can be a 30%, so that we have a greater profit in this category. And mostly the furniture category is having the least profit, as well as the subcategory tables is performing the least category. So that's all from my side. Thank you.